In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add eBlock to Microsoft Edge. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. This is the web browser developed by Microsoft, and it comes pre-installed on Windows devices. As you open the browser, you'll notice the familiar layout with the address bar at the top and your favorites easily accessible. This step is crucial because you need to be in the browser to start adding the ad blocker. Once Edge is open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now go to the address bar and type in edge://extensions. This will take you directly to the extensions page of Microsoft Edge. The extensions page is where you can manage, add, or remove various add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. It's important to navigate here because this is the hub for all extensions, including ad blockers, which can help improve page load times and create a cleaner browsing experience. Once you enter this address, you should see a list of your current extensions or an option to explore more. From there, click on the button that says Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. This button is usually prominently displayed on the extensions page. By clicking this, you will be redirected to the Microsoft Edge add-on store. This store is where you can browse through a variety of extensions available for Edge. Finding and adding an ad blocker is essential for reducing unwanted ads and enhancing your online privacy. After you click this button, the store will load and you will see numerous options available for download. Next, you can search for an ad blocker. In the search bar of the add-on store, type in names like uBlock, Origin Lite, or AdGuard ad blocker. These are popular choices known for their effectiveness in blocking ads. Searching for these specific extensions is important because it helps you find reliable tools that many users trust. As you type, you will see suggestions appear below the search bar. Select one of these options to proceed with your installation. Once you find an extension that suits your needs, click on the button that says Get. This action will initiate the process of adding the selected ad blocker to your browser. You may see a pop-up window that provides details about the extension you are about to install. This is a good moment to review the permissions the extension requires. Understanding these permissions is important because it ensures that you are comfortable with what the extension can access. After reviewing, click the Get button again to confirm your choice. Now click on the Add Extension button when prompted. This step finalizes the installation of the ad blocker into your Microsoft Edge browser. You will see a progress indicator showing that the extension is being added. This process helps ensure that the ad blocker is properly integrated into your browser. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that the extension has been added successfully. After that, the ad blocker will appear in the Extensions menu. You can access this menu by clicking on the puzzle piece icon located in the upper right corner of the browser. This menu allows you to manage your extensions easily, including turning them on or off. Seeing the ad blocker in your extensions menu reassures you that it is installed and ready to start filtering out unwanted ads. Now you are all set. You have successfully added an ad blocker to Microsoft Edge. Enjoy a cleaner web experience with fewer distractions. Remember, using an ad blocker not only improves your browsing but also enhances your online security. Thank you for watching.